Welcome everyone. In this video I show you the process of how to withdraw money from Z-Link. The process is simple, so please stick with me till the end. So let's go through the process together. If we scroll down in the FAQ section, there is a question on the page that asks, how do I cash out my balance? And it provides us clear steps to follow. So there are two steps. Step 1. Go to your profile menu and click on Account Settings. At the top of the page, under your account balance, tap the Cash Out button. Next, you'll encounter Identity Verification. To cash out, you need to verify the name associated with your account using a valid government-issued ID through Persona, a third-party ID verification partner. Regarding fees, there are two types associated with cash outs: a processing fee and a PayPal fee. The PayPal fee varies based on the cash out amount and your location, while the processing fee is just $2. To avoid frequent fees, it's better to not cash out too frequently. This is it. Thanks for watching.